Hi everyone, in this video I'll walk you through the process of installing WordPress on localhost. If you are looking to build a test environment to test your websites locally, this guide has got you covered. First of all, you have to download Xampp. For that purpose, just simply go to the Google, search for Xampp download, click on the first result or the first link. Here you can see you have three different options according to different operating systems: Windows, Linux, and Mac. I'm going to choose Windows operating system because currently I am using Windows. Now simply download the latest version of Xampp. As you can see, my file is downloading right now. It's going to take different amount of time according to the performance of the device. So let's wait. Once the download is completed, click on Show in Folder. Here you are going to double click on the highlighted file to start the installation process. Click OK, click Next. Here do not change anything, leave it as it is. Okay. Now click Next and change the destination drive. I'm going to use drive E. Go to drive E, create a new folder, name it as Xampp. You can choose any other name of your own choice. I'm going to name it as Xampp. Okay. Press enter. Now I have a folder named Xampp in drive E. Go to the installation wizard and change the drive from C to E like this and choose the folder Xampp that I have created recently. Click OK, click Next. Now the process of installation has been started. It's going to take some amount of time according to the performance of your device. Okay, so let's wait until the process is completed. When the installation process is completed, simply click Finish and wait for the control panel to be launched automatically. But if your control panel does not start on its own, you have to follow some different steps. So I'm going to show you these steps also. To start the control panel, you simply have to go to the drive where we have created the folder Xampp. In my case, that folder was E. That drive was E. Simply go to that folder named as Xampp, open that folder and search for a file named as Xampp control. Double click that file to start your control panel. As you can see now, my Xampp control panel has been started, but still I have to start some modules. These modules will be Apache and MySQL. Okay. But what is the reason behind this? If right now I'm going to search for localhost, it is not connected to the control panel. As you can see, this site can't be reached. Okay. For this purpose, we have to start these modules. These modules will create a local server environment on your computer, allowing you to host your WordPress website. So simply start in front of Apache and again go to the Google search and search for localhost. As you can see now, I can access this website localhost dashboard because I have started the module of Apache. Now I also want to start the other module, that is MySQL. So just go to the Xampp control panel and click start in front of MySQL. Now click on allow access. You have to allow it. Your Xampp control panel setup is completed. Now we have to download WordPress. Search for WordPress download. Go to the first link in the results, that is wordpress.org. Remember wordpress.org, not wordpress.com. Okay. Here you have two different options. First one is install it yourself and second one is hosting provider. As you know, we are not going to use any hosting. We are going to install WordPress in our local host. So click on download WordPress 6.4.3. While my file is downloading, I'm going to set up my php-myadmin. For that, just simply search localhost/php-myadmin. Here, I have to create a new database. For that purpose, simply click New. Now name the database exactly same as your website. I'm going to name my database as Roshni Rao. You can choose any other name of your own choice. And simply click on Create. As you can see, our file has been completely downloaded. We are going to copy it from downloads. Go to the E drive where you have created the folder named as Xampp. Simply go to Xampp. Double click it and go to the folder named as htdocs. Here you have to paste the file and extract it. Right click it and then click extract here. Now simply delete the file because we do not need this zip file anymore. And once the extraction is completed, rename the WordPress folder and name it as same as your databases. Now simply search for localhost / Roshni Rauf and press enter. Now you have to set up your WordPress. Okay, so language should be English, United States, continue. Here are some instructions about database name, database username, password, database title, etc. So simply click on let's go. I have to type database name, that is Roshni Rauf. Username must be root, you cannot change it, and leave other things as it is. Do not change anything and click submit. Now you have to click on run the installation. Now you have to enter some information that is needed, like site title, username, password, your email. Site title, in my case, it is going to be Roshni Rauf. Username, I'm going to choose Roshni. Password, I'm going to change it, and then my email. Okay, so you can choose any username and any password. Next, I'm going to change my password. I'm going to enter my email and click on install WordPress. Do not check this box, okay? Search engine visibility, do not check this box. As you can see, success, WordPress has been installed. Thank you. Now I'm going to log in, okay? To log in, you simply click on login and enter your username, that is Roshni. I'm going to enter my password. As you can see, congratulations, your WordPress dashboard is ready to explore. Your dashboard is right here. I'm going to clear all the options from here. To clear my dashboard, uncheck all the boxes and simply clear your dashboard. Okay, so this is your WordPress dashboard. Now let's have a look how is our website is looking right now. You can see this is my website by default. I can change it, customize it, and anything. Customize it. If you find this video helpful, please give a big thumbs up. See you next time.